Raya.
Hello po! Good afternoon po everyone! Thank you all for coming po.
Maraming salamat din po for coming today. I hope you guys enjoyed your meals. And yun lang. Thank you po.
Throwing in the first question, this is for you, Ken. Siyempre,
Yes.
tanong ng mga kapatid natin from the present content creators, yung naging reaction mo lang nung greenlit na itong project at makakasama mo si Andrea Brillantes.
Super happy. I was super excited because, you know, it's been going on for a couple of years na yung project na to. And for us to finally, you know, start and, you know, all hands on deck, especially with this wonderful cast, parang, ano ba parang dito to? Alam mo yun, sa sobrang tagal kasi parang hanggang ngayon it doesn't feel real, you know? And we're actually about to come out on Netflix this Friday and we're actually showing already next week, Monday. I'm just really thankful, grateful for everybody responsible for this show and for making it happen, you know? And I'm just really thankful. You know?
Wow. And for Andrea, this is another environment that you guys shot in. I know it was in the thick of winter. Tama ba?
Yeah.
Ano yung mga naging challenge nung isinabuhay mo ang iyong karakter para sa Asikret and Prague?
I think yung pinaka-challenge po para sa akin nun is first time ko lang kasi makita ng snow. That time, first time ko lang ma-experience yung snow. And nung una excited pa ako, syempre, wow! Tapos una-una ko ginawa, binatuhan ko agad ng parang snowball si Ken. Kasi never ko pa yun nagagawa. Sabi ko, bang! Tapos nung una, syempre na-excite ako. Tapos nung nag-film na kami, tapos nung paggabi na, hindi na ako excited.
Bakit?
Hirap na ako magsalita. Yung parehas kami, nabubulol na kami. Parang, di ko na
Sa lamig ba ito?
Sa lamig, oo, nanginginig na kami. Tapos ang ginagawa ko, parang nagbaboxing kami kapag malamig na para uminit yung katawan namin. Yan po siguro naging challenge for me. Hindi ako ganun kahanda. Pero, okay lang.
Sa lagay na hindi ka pa handa, pinner-coat mo kami, ha? Ang
Aircon
bongga.
ko yun, pero yung loob nun, maninipis lang. For the fashion, kasi dapat magmukha akong, lokal na, parang Elsa, the cold never bothered me anyway. Pero it did bother me. Big time. Big time.
But you guys executed it flawlessly. And of course, the next set of questions, of course, para sa buong cast ito, no, yung audience expectations lang ng ng mga manunood ng Asikret in Prague. At ano yung pinaka gusto nyong i-share na abangan sa inyong programa? Go right ahead, Cedric.
Si Kim daw po mauna. Oh, definitely, storytelling-wise, narrative-wise, isa yun sa pinaka-core. And I think yun yung isa sa powerful talaga dito sa Asikret in Prague. Kasi you would see na parang, parang full of action and all, and at the same time, sobrang sophisticated. Pero hindi mawawala yung kung saan tayo kilala mga Pilipino, yung family-oriented tayo, and nandun pa rin yung love. Kahit na ang hirap-hirap ng sitwasyon na meron yung pagmamahalan na nandun si Enrique at si Kai. Yeah.
Kim?
Kunwari patay mali siya. Hindi, alam po natin na ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking project ngayon ng TV5. So very excited and excited din kami na mapanood yung lahat to, pinaghirapan namin. And syempre yun nga, meron tong action, drama, comedy, and gaya ng sabi ni Cedric, yung tungkol sa family, which is sa ating mga Pilipino, napakahalaga nun. So, and syempre makikita rin nila dito yung side ng mga agent. Kasi kapag pag agent, ang thinking kagad seryoso, kumbaga, dapat kalkulado lahat ng galaw. Pero dito, ipapakita rin na meron din kaming side na hindi kami perfect, vulnerable din kami. So, ayun.
Sir Reggie?
Sa akin, first of all, I'm very thankful for TV5, Slingshot, and of course, this is my first time to work with Ken and Andrea. I'm very excited. And ang maganda kasi rito is yung sinabi nila yung story and yung role na binigay sa akin. So, first time ko lang maging politician dito. And,
Interesting!
bumili nga ako ng Land Cruiser kagad. Kasi kailangan sa eksena. So, yeah, yun. Sasoli ko rin after ng ano. Pero ayun, maganda yung maganda yung story. And of course, merong touch ng of course yung mga nangyayari ngayon sa bansa natin. Yun.
Thank you so much for that, Mark Ian.
I think nasabi na po nila lahat, no? But I'll go leaning towards the representation ng characters dun sa story. I would say it's not stereotypical, so dito na makikita yung mga representation, especially to the young ones, like of my same generation, like ako as Angelito, siya as Sophie, the representation that it shows na hindi, kung ano yung nakasanayan natin, ayun yung makikita natin. So, ibang atake ng story, ibang atake ng character, and I think dapat yun yung maabangan din natin.
At yung brotherhood yun ni Ken.
Yes, of course po. And
Kapatiran
of course, the family. Me coming from the Pinagpala family, and the family po talaga yung na-highlight. And also, I would want to commend the cinematography. I would say it's not very teleserye vibe yung cinematography. It's more of like a movie. So, maganda po, maganda. Yeah.
Thank you, Quinay.
Meron pa ba akong dapat sabihin? Parang sinabi niyo na lahat.
Pero ganun pa man po, feeling ko, for me naman, isa din talaga sa dapat yung pong abangan siguro yung chemistry namin ni Mark Ian. Siyempre, I think bago to sa mata ng lahat. Yes, na meron akong ka-love team, ganyan. Pero ayun po, I'm so happy. And sana po ma-enjoy po ninyo to show. Thank you.
How about you, Ian?
Well, more than my character, siguro doon din ako na-excite. Especially, first and for all, yung tambalan ni Ken and Blythe. Na talagang I'm sure...
Kinilig ka din?
Oo, kahit tayo nung una nating narinig, sobrang wow, ano to? Anong kakalabasan nito? So yun yung feeling kong dapat nilang abangan. At yung mga characters ng bawat isa, yun yung natutuwa rin ako dahil sobrang Filipino core yung storya talaga, yung narrative.
AJ?
So halos nasabi na nga po lahat, no? Pero bukod sa may magandang story siya, as you can see, it is filled with very talented actors and very passionate directors. And I'm very grateful na kasama ako sa project na to. Yun lang po.
Mr. Ruben?
Subtitles.
Subtitles.
Well, I'm very happy to be part of this project. I love the mix of comedy, action, romance of this series. I'm also happy to work again with a very talented production team and creative team, and of course with Enrique again. So I'm just so grateful and enjoying this process.
I love you.
I love you too.
And of course, Miss Kay.
Wala lang to, wala to.
Oo nga. Ang dahil ko sasabi, kaya nauli. Last but not the least.
Nakakatakot talaga hinuli. Hindi, nakakatuwa kasi dahil yung mga pinapangarap ko dito lang natupad, ang magkaroon ng asawa at maging mayaman. Sobrang yaman. May private plane kami, gano'n.
Ganun yaman? Kasi mayaman ka na.
Hello! Tsaka lahat ng eksena, meron kami bodyguard.
Oy!
So, hindi lang ito nakakatuwa, hindi lang ito, tamang timpla siya ng action, ng drama of course. Again, yung family ba, kasi hindi kami nagkakalayo, di ba?
Of course!
Ako ang nanay ni Blythe dito. Walang e-epal. Oo, hindi kami kasi lapit niya hindi kami nagkakalayo. So maganda kasi kahit mayaman, yung very Pilipina pa rin tayo na makulit. Yun yung character ko na makikay pa din, makulit. Tapos asawa ko siya na nakaluwag-luwag ako sa buhay and everything. Pero di ba mga Pilipino, pag nakapag-asawa ng mayaman, ano pa rin? Yung Pilipino pa rin. So, imbis na siya matuto ako mag-check, siya ang tuto mag-Tagalog.
Ayun, siya mag-a-adjust.
Yes,
Siya nag-adjust sa'yo.
hindi kasi ako margin, kaya hindi ako nag-a-adjust. Charot. Abangan niyo yung kanya-kanyang flavor ng character. Halong-palo.
Teaser pa lang, medyo naramdaman na natin yan. So ngayon, from the press is directed towards Direk Paco. Direk? Ayan, Direk, tinatanong daw nila, kamusta daw, iba i-direct ang ensemble cast na ito at yung naging experience nyo sa prom.
Actually, hindi ko ako kasama sa prom. Tsaka it was Barry, my partner, who went to Prague. So hindi ko na-experience. Pero speaking from director's point of view, parang pamilya itong set. It's very light. So you look forward every taping day. Ano na naman to, ang saya nitong ano. So hindi siya mabigat. Plus our material, sobrang light lang niya, dalang sundan. Pero when it comes to seriousness, seryoso, parang Pinoy talaga. Na pag nagsiseryoso ako, biglang babali ng comedy, ang sarap ng feeling. Tas, of course, with the leadership of our creators, si Mark, si my partner Derek Barry, Slingshot, and our producers. Tapos, with the ensemble na kasama namin, very masarap magtrabaho. You look forward to every scene. So, and then, they're all thinking actors. We're very blessed to have a cast like them na may input sila. Hindi lang sila ganito. They create, the collaboration po ito. So, it's something to look forward to po.
Thank you so much, Direk.
We love you, Direk.
Secret in Prague when you wrote this.
Actually, the bigger story is may creative credit dito si Ken because this is sabi ko when during the pandemic the conversation is what do you want to do in your life, gusto mo ba mag-direct, gusto mo and what is so plot twist sa buhay niya is, di ba, I wanna be creative, I wanna be a writer or something or create stories. Sabi ko, ang weird ng gawa mo pa ako ng trabaho, tarantado ka, sabi mo. But but the vision was really back then, yeah, it was a dark time during that, a year after the pandemic, and it seems like, di ba, ang bleak, and there's a future ahead. The future ahead is not so bright. So the vision really, when we were talking and creating this, is to create a show na, alam mo yon, yung that it validates your experience, but at the same time, it provides relief, kumbaga, sa atin na tumawa tayo, kiligin ulit tayo, mag-enjoy lang tayo because life is hard. Which is that is the vision that was set by Ken and nila Randall as
Ibalik ang
producer.
saya sa mundo.
Ibalik natin ang saya.
Sa television.
And the fun thing about it is it resonated and it reflected in a way in the whole process. Meron ba tayong
May mahabol kasi, Sir Mark.
Dumating na ba si Okay, so but that's it. That's the vision to provide a show that can provide relief for our Filipino.
And sobrang perfect timing niya sa mga nagaganap din ngayon. Kailangan
A global agency for government operations, or in ang acronym GAGO. Hindi naman kami lahat GAGO, pero member lang kami ng GAGO Association. Hi, hello, sorry I'm late, but just came from another meeting which was very important. That's for the next topic, and it's good to be here sa A Secret in Prague. May hinuli daw sila sa Prague, ewan ko sino.
Saktong-sakto, di ba?
Meron ba?
Oo.
Nahuli
GEGO
na.
din po ba nakahuli?
Kami yun.
Oo, kayo yun. But thank you so much for joining again. Ito po, meron tayong time po to have a round table with the whole cast, and of course,